cresting. I'm cresting.
And we're rolling, and this is Perkinsville East.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Starts left 6, 50. Small dips. 200. Small dip. Into right 6. 100. Excuse me. Jesus. Right 5 minus long into left 4 plus long. Left 4 plus long right here. 30. Left 4 plus off camber, long. Off camber, long. 40. Left 6. 100. Left 5 plus. 50. Right 4 plus, neat. Left 4. $400. Left 6 minus, very long. Into right 6, long crest. 30. Left 6 minus. 70. Left 6 minus. Into right 5 long. 40. Left 6 minus. Extra long. Into crest. 40. Right 5 plus. Over small rut, keep out.
Again?
Over small rut, keep out. 50. Right 5 plus, very long. Into care, left 5 minus over crest, very long. Rock center. I don't see it anymore.
That's right
40.
there.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Caution, left 5 minus into brake. Caution, right 3, very long, opens. That wasn't that bad.
No.
Into left 6 shorts. 240. Left 4 minus long. Into right 4 plus. Into left 5. Into right 4 plus. 40. Left 5 short. Over cattle guard. Right 6 minus long. 50. Dip into right 5. Left 4 minus long. Into double caution. Right 5 minus. Opens over trench. 120. Oh.
Yeah, that wasn't. Yeah, it was okay.
Caution dip. 40. We got a danger bubble. Left 4 minus long. Keep out. Caution dip. Keep left into right 4. Kinks. 140. Left 5 over crest into caution. Right 4 plus. 80. Left 6. Right 6 long. Over long crest. Right 6 over long crest.
Yep.
Left 5 plus. 50. Right 4 late over crest. 100. Left 6 plus into crest. Right 6 minus. 50. Kink into right 5 minus. Into left 4 plus. Opens and tightens. 5 minus. Into right 5 long. 60. Crest, 60. Stay right over cattle guard. Into left 5 minus. .260. That was awesome.
That was cool.
Right 6. 140. Small crest. 40. Care, small crest into cattle guard. Into caution, left 4 minus 50. Long crest. Into right 5 plus. Into left 4 plus long, keep out. 70. Left 6 plus over small crest. 220. Right 6. 160. Left 6 short. 350. Right 6 plus. 800.
God damn.
Right 6 plus, very long.
Okay, we hit 100.
Did you?
Yep.
I think it was more like 85 or 90.
Well, we hit 100 on my speedo, so it makes me feel better.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
80. Caution, brake, left 6 minus. 120. Stay right over small jump.
I think we might catch something on this.
200.
And
Not quite. Left 6 opens and tightens 5 plus narrow exits. Into right 6 plus, or sorry, just right 6. Into right 6, 180. Right 6 plus. 100. Left 6 minus into right 6 plus. 80. Crest into right 5, opens long. 120. Right 5 plus, over crest. 100. Right 6 into left 5 long, opens. 120. Long crest into right 6 plus, 50. Double caution brake. Sorry, double caution brake,
Yep.
right 3 plus, opens and tightens 3 off camper. 70. Right 5 plus, 50. Right 6 short. Kinks, 300. Brake, left 2 plus, very long. Into right 6 plus.
oh, got a little wide there.
Into small jump. Into left 6 short. 80. Left 6 minus into caution. Blind, right 4 plus. 40. Right 4 plus, opens long. 180. Left 3 plus, very long, late. Left 3 plus, very long, late. 140. Right 6 over crest, 80. And caution, right 4 plus, long, over dip, keep mid. 50. Stay right over cattle guard. Into left 4 minus long. Right 6. 160. Left 5 plus. 450. Sorry, I felt like I was getting a little behind there.
No, you're a little bit, but you're pretty good.
Crest. 300. Long, small crest. Into left 6, very long. 120. Caution dip. 200.
Oh, yeah.
Felt that. Crest. 60. Right 5 plus long. Left 5 minus long. 50. Double caution right 6 minus over dip, very long, over crest.
This might not be too bad.
Coming up on a car, I think. Coming up on a car. 70.
Oh.
They're okay. Right 5 over small crest. Into left 5 plus. Opens long. 400. Left 6 plus. Left 6 plus. Right 5 plus, very long. Into double caution dip.
Oh, this one's not here.
Oh, 220 over
Whoa.
ruts.
That was fun.
Left 6 over crest, opens, and tightens 6 over crest, over finish. Short runoff, by the way. Should be ready to... Okay, into right 5 plus, opens. Ooh, braking.
Yep, we got good.
Right 6 to stop. Those guys are fun. Woo! Oh.
Ooh, getting a little brake fade.
Are you?
Yeah, a little bit.
No.
Oh, God. Oh, jeez. No, just a little brake fade.
Yeah, he said he's getting a little brake fade. That means we're going fast. Or too fast, one of those two.
That was wild.
Thank you, Nikita.
Thank you.
Hey, we appreciate you guys.